In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom highlight color in Google Vids. Google Vids, part of the Google Workspace, is an incredibly versatile tool that can elevate your documentation and presentation game by allowing you to highlight text with colors of your choice beyond the default palette. This customization can be particularly useful for those who want to organize their notes, emphasize key points, or simply make their documents look more appealing. First things first, you need to navigate to Google Vids. Open your web browser and enter the Google Vids website URL, or simply search for Google Vids in your preferred search engine. This will direct you to the official landing page of Google Vids, a component of the Google Workspace suite. Once there, your next step is to sign into your Google account. Spot the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one you intend to use for this particular task. The page will redirect you to a selection window where your Google profiles are listed. Click on the appropriate account and you're halfway through the process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get down to business. Open the document where you intend to add your custom highlight. If it's a fresh document, simply type out some text to highlight. Otherwise, navigate through your document and select the piece of text you want to emphasize. With your text highlighted, proceed to the Format menu on the toolbar. This next step is quite straightforward. Upon clicking Format, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various formatting options. Your focus should be on the option labeled text. Hover over it to reveal another submenu filled with text formatting choices. In this submenu, find and click on Highlight Color. This action opens a color selection palette with various predefined colors. However, since our goal is to create a custom color, look for the Custom button, usually located at the bottom of the palette. Clicking on Custom opens up a new dialog box dedicated to color customization. Here's where your creativity comes into play. You'll see a color spectrum along with a few slider adjustments for fine-tuning the exact shade you desire. Drag the selector around the color spectrum until you find a hue that catches your eye. If you know the specific hex code of the color you want, you can also enter that code directly for precision. After you've selected the perfect hue, finalizing your choice is as simple as clicking OK. This action applies your custom highlight color to the selected text within your document, setting it apart with your personalized touch. Before concluding, here are a few additional tips. Remember that custom colors are saved in Google Vids for future use, so you don't have to go through the selection process again for the same color. Also, consider using contrasting colors for text and highlights to ensure readability. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment with colors to enhance the visual appeal of your documents and presentations. Personalizing your documents with unique highlight colors not only improves your organization, but also makes your documents more visually engaging for the audience. Whether for personal notes, professional documentation, or educational materials, custom highlights can be a game changer. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been enlightening. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy customizing! And until next time, keep exploring the vast possibilities with Google Vids.